client and friend, Stephanie Brooke. We're in Venice, one of the most beautiful cities in the world. And it's always been your dream to be here, isn't it? And here you are.
Yahoo! I love it. I'm home.
So, you can just ride with us. I'm tired of talking here.
You don't want to talk? Can I take a picture?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
So our
Canigra balas, 50 cent here, the first one Canigra is 50 cent.
I lost it. It went too fast.
Greg, you can still grab.
We have to come back this way.
I don't know, we might just go in a giant circle.
Yeah, that was a long walk.
You think you're alone wanting to go out in the rain in Venice, you're wrong.
Santa Lucia, your left. Santa Lucia Church. Inside we can see the reliquary for Santa Lucia.
Ooh, that would be good to see.
Isn't there a song about Santa Lucia?
Can you sing that?
Lucia. That's about as far as I was complimenting the Italians on how they're not so commercial, but take a look down at the end of this plaza. A big billboard.
No, that is so 220.
Good spot for taking pictures in the rain.
Oh my god.
It's the Buzz Bros official clock. We found it. Mamma mia. Hey, ciao!